Have you seen an upside down outlet? Which way do you place the ground? Should it be placed up or down? I have been with clients in a house, and when they see the ground hole up, they always say it's upside down. Or is it? Is there any safety consideration you should think about? Does the National Electrical Code require a certain orientation? What is the correct way? What is your correct way? The National Electrical Code speaks to what is required for outlets and receptacles and how they are to be installed. The NEC does not speak to the orientation of the outlets. Now, the installer may have job requirements calling out the exact orientation the outlet must be installed, such as working in a commercial building or a medical facility. However, that would not be called out by the NEC. It would be his or her specific requirement on the job site. Some electricians seem to believe the ground hole installed up is safer because if a screwdriver partially falls onto it, it will touch the ground first and thus be safe. However, if the plug was loose and falling out, it would create a short circuit or hazard shock situation. However, this is just a theory. Please comment down below. What is your experience? Which way do you think is correct? Ground screw up or ground screw down? Hey, look, Hannah, look what I installed.
It's horrible, you knew.
Also, some manufacturers of these outlets may have specific instructions, and you must always meet manufacturer's requirements. When I'm inside residential houses, the ground prongs are almost always installed down. When I'm in commercial structures, the ground hole is almost always placed up. So as long as the National Electrical Code does not speak to this requirement for residential wiring, go ahead and install them any way you want. Ground hole up or ground hole down. Maybe just match what is already there. Happy DIYing.